Today I'm unboxing this sourdough starter kit that I was gifted from this company for my honest review. So I've taken everything out of the box that came. So this is everything that came in the box. And so it came with two rope proofing baskets, sometimes called a Banneton basket. And they're very solid, sturdy, I would say. They have a topper, and it looks like that you could also use this for a liner if you'd like to, and an extra one. So you have three of those. It also came with the bread scraper that's handy when you're trying to scrape the bread off your surface. It came with this really nice starter jar. It's 27 ounces, and it came with this, and this is movable so that you can watch to see when your dough has doubled. And I'm not sure exactly what this is. It looks like you can put something in there, put that in there. It came with this top, but also this top, which would be nice to let air in as you're trying to proof your dough. It also came with this bread whisk, which is handy when you're trying to stir up your bread. It's not necessary to use when you're making bread, but it sure is helpful. This scraper is nice. It's pretty red color. That's helpful. It's silicone scraper and a silicone brush. And it also came with this lame, and the lame has 5 razor blades that came with it. I did not take those out yet, but this is very handy. Even though it's not completely necessary, you can use a knife. The lames are sure helpful when you're making sourdough bread. Although these things are not necessary for baking bread, they're sure helpful, and I appreciate the sourdough starter kit for helping me make bread.